Okay, good morning, students. Let's do again the sounds of the letters. So we are going to do the four new letters, that is H, I, J, and K. Let's start. So we have H for hat. Now the sound of letter H is H. The sound of letter H is H. So it's going to be H for hat, H, H, hat. H for hen, H, H, hen. H for house, H, H, house. Let's do it again. H for hat, H, H, hat. H for hen, H, H, hen. H for house, H, H, house. Then I have the second letter, that is letter I. What is this letter? This letter is I. So I have I for igloo, igloo. I for insects, insect. I for Indian, Indian. Okay, I'm so sorry. There is a bit confusion with the letter in the sound of the letter I. So over here, the sound of the letter I is E. The sound of the letter I is E. So it is going to be I for igloo, igloo. I for insect, insect. I for Indian, Indian. Okay, so the sound of letter I is E. The sound of letter I is E. I for igloo, igloo. I for insect, insect. I for Indian, Indian. Okay, then I have the letter J. Okay, the sound of J is J. The sound of letter J is J. So it is going to be J for jam, J, J, jam. J for jug, J, J, jug. J for joker, J, J, joker. Let's do it again. J for jam, J, J, jam. J for jug, J, J, jug. J for joker, J, J, joker. Then we have the last letter of the set is K. Okay, so the sound of K is K. So it's K for kite, K, K, kite. K for king, K, K, king. K for kangaroo, K, K, kangaroo. Let's do it again. K for kite, K, K, kite. K for king, K, K, king. K for kangaroo, K, K, kangaroo. Okay, so what we studied today, we studied H and the sound of letter H is H. We studied I, the sound of letter I is E. The sound of letter J is J, and the sound of letter K is K. Okay, so keep practicing. Thank you.